Hi, welcome to this review of the Selle SMP E-Trk bike saddle. Okay, so when they sent me this, people at Glove, who are the UK's sole distributor of these, I did wonder if it was actually a thing or not, whether it was like, whether e-bikes needed specific saddles. And I'm really interested to look at this saddle. It's probably the most interesting one to date. So let me tell you what they say, and then we'll have a look at it. Okay, so the SMP E-Trk bike saddle is designed for maximum comfort and support on long rides, featuring a wider profile and ample padding. This saddle helps reduce pressure on sensitive areas, promoting better blood flow and reducing numbness. The central cutout further enhances comfort by relieving perineal pressure. With durable construction and a sleek design, the SMP E-Trk saddle is a versatile choice for cyclists seeking more comfortable riding experience. 100% handmade in Italy, SMP vacuum tech and self-moulding gel. This is e-bike ready. So it's quite a wide saddle. It's 162mm. It's 270mm long. It's got the velvet touch vacuum covering, and the rails are made of steel. It's also been described as thick padding. So let's have a look at it. So this is the saddle. It's got the Selle SMP shape, but perhaps not as pronounced. It's got a very soft surface. You get the SMP logo at the back, you get nice long rails. It seems very, very soft. Very soft. I'm itching to try this one because I think it's going to be a comfortable saddle. I really think it's going to be a comfortable saddle. So these retail for £100. So we'll have a look and see whether this is as comfortable as it claims to be. Right, let's try it. Okay, to test this this saddle, because it's for e-bikes, I'm not going to put lycra on and padded shorts. I have got my cycling shoes on, I don't know if you can see, but I'm also wearing jeans and a t-shirt, because I think that's what most e-bikers will wear if they're interested in one of these saddles. And also I don't want to compromise how comfortable this is by wearing padded shorts. So I'm going to get on the bike really precariously, because I really don't want to get on the saddle until I'm on the bike properly. So bear with me. Okay, so we'll do a few pedals and then we'll sit. Oh wow. Oh wow. It actually moves with your body. It's perhaps not as soft as I was expecting. I was expecting it to be a bit spongy. But actually it's very comfortable. You feel like you're being supported in all the right places, and you feel like you're sitting in the saddle, which is something you get with all SMP saddles. The thing is as well, on an e-bike, you're going to be, 9 times out of 10, you're going to be sitting more upright anyway. So you're probably going to be sort of, your back's going to be there, so you're really sitting on your sit bones. And this is extremely comfortable, extremely comfortable. It's, if anything, you don't really feel like you're sitting on it. You start noticing other things, which is the thing I really love about these saddles. The shape is perfect. The shape is perfect. You feel the padding, you don't really feel the gel, and the more upright you sit, the more comfortable it is. That's my experience of it. Obviously everyone's different, but it is extremely comfortable and very, very supportive. I would say you probably could do a lot of miles on this saddle, and if you're suffering from pressure sores and saddle sore, this could be the answer. So in the shop, when anyone ever says to us, I've got an electric bike, what should I do? Is there anything I should upgrade, or what should I get next? The first thing I always say is upgrade the tyres to something with puncture resistance, because they can be a pain to change when you get a puncture. However, from now on I'm going to say, number one, get some puncture proof tyres, and number two, get a saddle from SMP, because these are fantastic. They're so comfortable. They're so comfortable. And bear in mind, I'm wearing jeans, and jeans are full of seams and stuff. You definitely won't be able to do this on a regular saddle. You feel uncomfortable.